I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you. Dude, do you have... Alright, hey guys, what's going on? So, today is Wednesday, and I know this will be going up in like a couple days. So, on today's Friday vlog, I win a bag. Okay, so, if you don't know, I bought the Operation Reclamation 2 from Airsoft GI mystery box, and I was honestly hoping for something better than a gun bag or a shotgun. I wanted a helmet or a backpack or the gun itself. I was hoping for those, or at least the Griffin chest rig and belt package, because then I can use that for my my CS loadout, which I will show you guys in the future, since my other videos besides the gaming videos on this channel are doing a lot better. So I guess I'm just forced to buy a GoPro and just do airsoft videos, I guess. Anyway, subscribe to my team's channel, which just got made, and there's a couple videos up there. Team Big Bang Airsoft, that's the YouTube channel. Maybe I'll post a link below, or probably put an annotation somewhere, maybe right here. Yeah, I'll do that. And so now, here is the video of the unboxing for our mystery boxes. Alright, what's going on, guys? We have Tactical Walrus unboxing his... Okay, so if you haven't seen one of the highlight clips, one of our first videos on Team Big Bang Airsoft on YouTube, our channel, our highlights was he was hiding behind a box, and I guess he tried to barrel roll or some other tactical maneuver, but he ended up falling on his back and rolling over.
So what happened was I tried to dive, and I didn't try to make my dive my knee wobble at the same time, have a knee injury. So when I landed like that, oh my gosh. Which came in handy because I was getting shot at that side issue. But I tried to shoot back, but I still got shot anyways.
And so yes, Tactical Walrus was born from that video.
Now we ordered this year box from Airsoft GI.
This is the...
And said I'm going first, so...
He's going first, and hopefully he gets something good, because I just want a helmet out of this Operation Reclamation 2 mystery box from Airsoft GI. That's all I want. I want a freaking helmet. Suspense is a killer. Huh? Are you serious? Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen, we have the winner of the grand prize of the MSK gas blowback rifle.
Oh my god!
I hate you. I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you. Dude, you have no idea how much I fucking hate you. If I don't get my fucking helmet, I'm gonna be super pissed. I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you. Dude, you have... Okay. Okay. His first gas blowback. He won. I swear to God, he's lucky. I better get my damn helmet or something good, because I'm gonna be super pissed.
1 out of 105 chances that I get this. Woo! Thank you guys for telling me that. I actually ordered this while I was at work. I was like, should I do it? Nah, I had this station. I returned the box. And then I was like, I'll buy it. Wow. For $20, I get a Elite Tech gas blowback rifle. Dude. Spark. Kind of look like it.
You're gonna see something when this video goes up. I don't know when it's gonna go up, but it... I see it. What a lucky...
I don't gamble. took a gamble on this, and
You know, I was hoping for that one or something good, but I just want my helmet. If I don't get my helmet, I'm just gonna be like, never buying a mystery box again. Here it is. Here's my operation. I'm opening it right now. I'm gonna set this up. Let me just get my knife here. Oh, here we go. Get the grand prize. Okay, here we go. We have. Are you ready? Are you ready?
yeah.
I don't know what the hell this is. Oh, look at this. Wait, is this a gun bag? I don't know how you can see this. I'm not really looking at the camera screen. Oh God. Oh, son of a bitch. It was just a gun bag. I don't have a helmet, I got a gun bag. I got a gun bag.
You got a gun back?
I'm sad. That was like the worst 20 bucks I spent. Alright, so one last thing before I end this video, even though it's probably gone too long right now. Yes, I was actually pissed that I won a freaking bag. I was actually pretty mad. I was hoping for something good, but it's a decent bag. It replaces my old one, which probably was not the greatest bag, but it was decent enough. So maybe I'll use that for my future shotgun for CQB. Anyway, that's it. Subscribe to both the channels and the links below. And if you enjoy this video and want to see more gaming videos and other random vlogs, be sure to like and favorite the videos. And yep. So I'll see you guys next time.